If you're looking for cloud storage for backups or large-scale data, iDrive E2 promises affordable, reliable object storage. But how does it perform in real-world usage? Here's my honest review. iDrive E2 is designed for businesses, developers, and power users who need scalable, secure, and cost-effective storage. Most people get this wrong. They confuse it with consumer backup solutions, but E2 is an object storage platform, meaning it's optimized for apps, websites, and large data sets rather than simple file storage. One of the main benefits is pricing. iDrive E2 offers low per GB pricing, and you only pay for what you use. Unlike traditional storage, there are no high fixed fees, which makes it cost-effective for businesses with fluctuating data needs. Data durability is high, with multiple redundancy across servers, and security features like AES-256 encryption keep your files safe. Accessing and managing storage is straightforward. You can use the web interface, desktop clients, or APIs to upload, retrieve, and organize data. Integration with tools like rclone or S3 compatible applications makes it versatile for developers. Performance is solid, with fast uploads and downloads during my testing, although speeds vary based on location and internet connection. One limitation is the learning curve. For users expecting a simple drag-and-drop backup service, iDrive E2 may seem complex at first, but for those familiar with cloud storage concepts, it's intuitive and flexible. In conclusion, iDrive E2 is a reliable, affordable cloud object storage solution for businesses, developers, and power users. It's secure, scalable, and cost-effective, but casual users looking for simple backups may prefer consumer-oriented options. Subscribe for more cloud storage reviews, tech tips, and guides to finding the best tools for your digital workflow.